The Green Wheel Retrofit Guidance Tool was developed by the Sustainable Traditional Buildings Alliance with funding from DEC. This is an alliance made up of heritage bodies including Cadw, along with environmental organisations, professional institutions and sector skills councils. We have launched the use of the Retrofit Guidance Tool at Heritage Cottage in Wales, our small terraced house in Cwmdare. At Heritage Cottage, we are looking at different ways of understanding energy performance and well-informed retrofit. This ranges from the very simple to the very complex, but ultimately we want to develop an approach that will be used by everybody. Using the Retrofit Guidance Tool is part of this. Anybody can access the tool and there's no charge. Just go on the web and search for www.responsible-retrofit.org/wheel and use your tablet and off you go. You do need knowledge of buildings and energy efficiency, but it's a great checklist and takes you through everything that should be considered in a systematic way. It highlights the relationship between the different measures, so by clicking on one type, which then appears in colour, it connects to the other retrofit measures. Stage 1 is context, whether it is character building or not, whether it is listed. Condition, energy type use, the user, number of exposed sites. Stage 2, explore and select measures. You can select by clicking on the wheel, or if you look at the list on the right hand side. It explains the benefits and concerns in 3 categories: energy, heritage and technical. Risks are categorised at 4 levels in colour. Stage 3, explore the links. Each of the coloured arrows have a meaning or a reason for being there. The pop-up box explains this. On the right hand side of the box you can click for the information that is behind the wheel, the background information where all the knowledge is stored. Stage 4, actions and references. Concerns are explained and links to references are there to see and use. Provide useful actions before, during and after retrofit to reduce the risks of the various measures. Stage 5, select measures. Once exploration is finished, you can select the measures. Stage 6, report. You now have a report to print off and use. The guidance tool is backed up by a knowledge centre that can be accessed through the web. Just go to www.stbauk.org.